Okay, so we have you logged in. The first and easiest form that we can go through is the job observation. So let's start with that. Select the job observation from your app menu. After the job observation form is presented to you, you'll find that there's several fields that you need to complete. If you have been assigned a division or a project, these fields will already have been completed. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to choose the safety department as my division and the 15 freeway project as my project. I'm then faced with a choice of categories. What type of safety item am I looking at? So obviously the first one is abrasive blasting, but there's several mini categories actually that you can actually choose from. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will choose fall protection by typing the word fall in, and as you can see, fall protection becomes the only option available here. So I'm choosing fall protection. The next step, I get to choose what type of safety observation I'm making. Am I looking at an act or a condition? An act is people actually doing things. A condition is something that exists on the job site. For simplicity's sake, I'm going to choose a condition. Next, we get to rate it, whether it's good or bad. And I think that's pretty self-explanatory, and to keep things clean and simple, we'll choose good. The next field is the description field. This is literally where you describe what you would like to do or what you are seeing. I see a lot of good things here. Keep up the good work, and I'll be back tomorrow. You can also use the voice to text function on your smartphone. And the last field is the image field. You choose an image. By clicking this button on your smartphone, it will present you with either a opportunity to take a live picture or to upload a picture from your camera roll. I'm going to choose one for my camera roll. Say picture of training. I'm going to label it. You must label any picture you put on. And last but not least, we're going to submit the job observation. By pressing the dark blue button at the bottom of this form, it goes into submission. You can see it's being submitted with the indicator. And then finally, you will receive a confirmation screen that shows saved the job observation. Within 5 minutes of any submission, you will also receive an email of confirmation that you submitted your job observation. After the observation is submitted, you have the opportunity to write additional comments. You can upload follow-up pictures for fixes or response. Or you can add a corrective action, which we'll talk about in a later tutorial.